Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 5 of the baby food chart. The breakfast is around 8 o'clock in the morning and we are going to give multigrain porridge. For the nuts powder and multigrain powder, please refer day 1 video. The link is also there in the description. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder as sweetener here. You can use any kind of sweetener. Just to dissolve the jaggery powder, I'm using little water. Now take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of nuts powder and 2 tablespoons of multigrain powder. Now let us filter and add the jaggery. Give everything a nice mix. Into this I am going to add 1 cup of milk. I am going to add a little first and give a nice mix to avoid lumps. You can see that no lumps are there, so now you can add the rest of the milk. Here I have mixed everything well, so I am going to keep it on the flame and start stirring. Stir this continuously, this will get thick soon. You have to stir this continuously until it reaches this consistency. Once it cools down, it will become even more thick. So here is our multigrain porridge. You can give this around 8 o'clock in the morning as a breakfast. For the snacks, we are going to give egg pudding. You can give this around 11 o'clock. Break open 1 egg. To this add little sugar. I am using unrefined cane sugar. Beat the egg well. To this add quarter cup of milk. Beat this again. After beating this well, transfer this into a bowl or a mold. This is ready now. Now we can steam cook this. I am using an idli steamer. You can use any steamer. Steam cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is ready now. Start giving this in small quantities first and then increase the quantity according to the baby's capacity. So the egg pudding is ready. For the lunch I am going to give dal rice. This you can give around 1 o'clock. For this take around 3 tablespoons of split pigeon peas, that is tur dal. Clean it with water. Add this into a pressure cooker. To this add a pinch of cumin seeds, 1 garlic clove, a cup of water and a pinch of turmeric powder. Now close this and pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. So the dal is ready. Let us mash this. Now take some cooked rice, add a teaspoon of ghee. Ghee is very important for the weight gain of the baby, so you can add this wherever possible. Let us mash this. Now add the dal and mash everything again. So here is the baby's lunch. For the snacks around 4 o'clock, I am going to give fruits and dates milk. You can give any kind of fruit. I am going to give apple today. Along with this, I am going to give dates milk. Preparation of date syrup is there in the day 1 video. The link is there in the description. If you want, you can click it. Here we are going to mix 1 tablespoon of date syrup into warm milk. So here is our dates milk, and finally for the dinner we are going to give tapioca pearls khichdi. I am going to use a quarter cup of sabudana, that is tapioca pearls. Cleaning is very essential. You have to clean it with water and soak it in water for about 2 to 3 hours. If you are going to use this for breakfast, you can better soak this overnight. We know that sabudana has only carbs, but combined with vegetables, this will become a very good baby food. Now pour some ghee in a pan. To this add a quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. If this is for babies less than 1 year, you can go for cumin powder instead of cumin seeds. Now the vegetable, I am going to use potatoes here. This is around a quarter cup. Saute this for about a minute or 2. I am adding a pinch of pepper powder into this. If you want to avoid, you can very well avoid it. After sauteing the potatoes, let us add the soaked sabudana. Add enough water into this. You can add around 2 cups. For babies more than a year, you can add some salt. Now close this and cook until the pearls become transparent. Open and stir in between, should not stick to the pan. Here you can see that the pearls have become transparent. This is ready. At this stage, you can switch off the flame. Day 5 is over. Meet you on day 6. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.